before I do that, allow me to highlight that in line with the revised SADC principles and guidelines governing democratic elections 2015, SADC has been invited by the Botswana Independent Electoral Commission to observe the 2019 general elections in the Republic of Botswana. In line with his mandate, as stipulated in revised SADC principles and guidelines governing democratic elections of 2015, the chairperson of the SADC organ on politics, defense and security cooperation, His Excellency Emmerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, constituted the SADC Electoral Observation Mission to Botswana, and to that effect appointed Honorable Left General Retired Dr. Simbusio Moyo, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade of the Republic of Zimbabwe, to head the mission.